Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Walgreens Mastercard account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is type in walgreens.syf.com/accounts/login, press enter. Now once you do that, you'll directly be led to the login interface of Walgreens Mastercard. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password. Click on the field of user ID and provide the user ID over here. Keep in mind, user ID can be case sensitive. Now what you have to do is enter your password. If you want this browser to remember the user ID, click on this box, remember user ID. If you have forgotten the user ID or password, click on this option, I forgot my user ID or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option, secure login, that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Walgreens Mastercard account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.